Hello friends, how are you all? This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Friends, I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel tutorial. You can check and find the playlist into my channel. And today we are going to learn another new trick of SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard as usual, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboards. Friends, I have already created a file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is. If you have a data file like this and have to count and sum the range which have an amount larger than 1000 or a specified number, you can easily use the SUMIF function in this case. To sum if greater than any number, you can use the SUMIF function. In this example, I am putting the formula like this. Look at here carefully friends. The formula will be equals to SUMIF, then open the first bracket. After that, look at here carefully friends, you have to select the sum range here. It is asking for range, but you have to select the sum range. Look at here, I have selected the sum range, and after that you have to put a comma here. Then you have to apply the trick. You have to open the double inverted comma, give the greater than symbol, then write down the number you want to. I am writing 1000 here. Then close the double inverted comma, then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, in this range, which of the cells contains greater than 1000 in number, that has been added and showing you the accurate result. Let's check. This one has the larger number than 1000 and this one only. You can check here 3750 and here it is also 3750. That means it is showing you the accurate result. So let's check how the formula actually works. This formula sums the amount in column D when they are greater than 1000. The SUMIF function supports Excel's logical operation like greater than, equals to or greater than, etc. So you can use this as you like in your criteria. In this case, we want to match amounts greater than 1000 and the criteria range is the same as the sum range. So there is no need to enter the sum range as a final argument. The SUMIF function simply sums up all amounts greater than 1000. Note that both operator greater than and threshold amount are enclosed in double quotation. If you want to threshold number in sum, use greater than or equal to here. Look at here, greater than and equals to, and if you hit the enter button, it will show you the result like this. If you change the number here in 1000, look at here, it then adds the number also. So what you will do if you have this criteria in another cell? Suppose you have a criteria in this cell 1000 and you have written the name as criteria for heading. You have to type the formula again like this. I am typing the formula in this cell, equals to SUMIF, then open the first bracket, then put the sum range here, put a comma, then you have to apply the trick like this. Open the double inverted comma, then put the greater than symbol, then close the double inverted comma, then put the ampersand symbol. After that, select that cell reference number. That's all. Then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing you the result accurately. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you have learned a new trick of SUMIF formula today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share your opinion in the comment box. Share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned. I will be back with a new video as soon as possible. Goodbye.